Hello everybody and welcome to today's craft short. And today we're going to be doing a really cool tutorial. Just a short one, but a cool one. Today we're going to be using corks in order to make a spool for your yarn. So if you have all of these corks lying around, I'm going to show you a really crafty way to turn these corks into a nice spool for your yarn. You are going to need one hot glue gun and 2 corks. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is take your hot glue gun and you're going to glue one side of your cork. You're going to put a good amount of glue, and then you're going to put your corks together and you're going to hold it. So as you can see, my hands are a little oily, and that's because I put oil on my hands in order to make sure that the glue doesn't stick to my fingers. You'll figure out why I did that in a second. So I'm just holding it together, the 2 corks, and then I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just going to pat down any glue that is squeezing out from the sides of my spool. So I'm just going to rub that down, and of course my hand has baby glue on it, so the glue is not sticking to my fingers. And I make sure that it's cooled down before I do this part. And within seconds, it should be dry and ready to put your yarn on. Now, here's the fun part. You're going to take your yarn and you're just going to wrap it around your spool. Pretty simple, right? That's all you have to do. I like doing this in order to save my leftover little spools of yarn that I have spun. And that's it. All of my hand spun yarn on one corkscrew spool. Pretty cool, right? Well, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you liked it. It was really quick, really fun, and it's a great way to store your yarn in your studio. My name is Sajada E. If you like this video, just click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to follow me on Patreon if you want to see longer tutorials in crafting and arts and design. And I'd love you to come back soon. Talk to you soon, my creative thinkers. Bye.